everybody, I am back. I have been making videos, have to edit them. Some of them I didn't even finish. Like I was going to do a hair video, but I didn't even record me getting my hair done. Like, but anyways, I have this video. I'm about to open up some inventory, some new inventory. About to put it right online as soon as I do this. And show you some new business cards, from the old business card to the new business card. And we're gonna go. We're just gonna go today, okay? Because y'all deserve this video. Y'all deserve this video. Okay. Okay. So let's get to this one. I don't know where my scissors at, and I know this is ghetto, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. Let me see if I can open it first. Oh, and baby, these nails are. And I know I'm not saying that right. Today is Saturday night. Well, Sunday morning. So. So you should already know. You should already know why I'm not all the way there. God damn it. Yeah, I'm really not there. Come on, Jesus, help me out. Help you, child. Help you, child. I am not trying to break it now. Oh, when my nose break, it hurts so freaking bad, guys. Like, when your real nails break, it hurts so bad. Yes, baby. I've been looking for... Damn, really? I've been looking for, music chains. Like, I didn't know it was going to be this big. I wish it was smaller. And it's all tangled, like... You couldn't take care of my shit? Okay, I'm gonna untangle it later, but... This is the music chain. That shit's ugly. Yes, that shit is nice. And I'm going to be wearing one of these chains in Cali because, you know, I'm a Cali babe. And all my Cali bitches, them motherfuckers got vocals. Or they rap their ass off, you know. I'm going to wear this to Cali and to Vegas. Leave this alone. Let me check these other chains because I ordered a whole lot of stuff. I already thought these was my earrings. Like... Because I've been waiting on... I'm going to tell y'all. I don't have them yet. Because I'm about to... Spirit these charges real quick. Don't never let nobody take your money, okay? So, a month ago, I ordered some Boss earrings. Now, I still haven't got them. And I love me some K-Maliga. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name right. I love you so much. That girl keep me up. Like, nothing could keep her down, baby. Nothing. And she just head up. She brings it to you. Sometimes she got to put on her face mask and let you know, like, I'm not having a good day, but I'm here for you. And tell me about it. Like, tell me about it. You know. It's like them earrings, and it's been like more than a month. If I wasn't recording on my phone, I swear I could give you the exact date. And like, when she did her video, I just gave her props up. I told her, great minds think alike, baby. Great minds think a fucking like. Because I ordered them earrings. Like, all I can say is great minds think alike. And I'm pissed off at my vendor because I still haven't got it yet. And it's like, what is taking you so long? Like, and I ordered these, like, after I ordered those. I think all the chains is like that. I think I'm going to change these chains out, too. I got a whole bunch of chains. I think I'm going to change these chains out. Here go a silver one. So if you know my website, I have black and silver everything. Black and silver, black and silver, black and silver, black and silver. This one even out. I would not. I'll be finding me a whole nother vendor. Like, how do you staple the paper and the chain is out? Right. But here you go. Close up for this silver one. So the chain is long, so I think it's gonna come like right here. I think it's gonna come down here, like right at the boobies. Like, let me see. I'm about to open this one. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. So it goes, so yeah. I'll put it out. So, if anybody know, y'all know I'm a half naked babe, okay? I like to be half naked, and so I got it. It goes, let me see. Right on the cha-chas. Right on the cha-chas. That is cute. Hold on, let me move my fingers. So that could be a thumbnail. Okay. But yeah, y'all, so I have these. I need to see how many I ordered. But what I was saying about the earrings. Yeah, so I got the earrings. I have not received them yet. I'm about to dispute these charges like a motherfucker because it shouldn't take this fucking long. It shouldn't. And that's one thing about Indian. I said Indian. Okay, your girl got Mendes. Like I'm saying, my phone died. Well, it didn't die. It lost space. But, yeah, that's the only thing about Chinese vendors. Like, some of them have the merchandise, and some of them say they have the merchandise and don't have the merchandise, and don't tell you that they don't have it. So, I'm about to dispute. Give me my paper. Run me my money. Run me my money. You know, run me my money. But I just gave her props, you know. Shit, great minds do think alike. And y'all have to realize, in this business, a lot of people is going to sell the same products. Girl, you think of something, the next person think of it too. So, you just have to, chin it up. You gotta see my gun and shit. But, yeah. I'm still waiting, but I'm about to fight them. I'm about to dispute because I've been waiting for it and I really wanted it, and I'm like, here we go. Okay, this is my old business card. Yeah, seen the old card. This is the new card. And I'm not gonna, if y'all want to use this discount code, y'all can. I'm not about to hide it. But, you know, everybody else be like, nah, go get it. Go use it. Okay? But yeah, so, you see the difference? Stand out. Don't stand out. These, I'm basically out of these ones already. Order 500, I'm basically out. I think I probably got 50 left or something like that. And I'm surely going to be dropping them off. I drop them off at my nail salon. You know, I give people about 3 at a time. Like, here you go, baby. Here you go. Pass them out. Tell your friends. Tell everybody. Tell them. Tell them, boo. Tell them. And I'm glad these came before I go on my trip because these is it. Okay? And I'll be passing out 2 of those. Oh, but, okay. I think that was it for this video. Opened up that package, showed y'all my new business cards. Gonna insert a video. Probably already inserted it. Probably did. So, if you watched it to the end, don't forget to subscribe, my word, subscribe, like, and comment, okay? And I know my eyes been everywhere. It's just because I'll be looking at myself. I'll be looking directly at myself. And then I'll be trying to find the camera like, are you there? Are you there? Oh yeah, these lashes is on the website. These are Queen Maribel, Queen. I will put it at the bottom. But thank you for watching. If you watched it to the end, remember, subscribe. And I just gave y'all a discount code too. So, go shop. Go shop.